Big up Crosses TV.
You have a visitor. Crosses TV can look for you.
Every day she went in, she didn't get booked at that time. The time that she got booked yesterday for you to see the information was at 12 o'clock. You understand? Anyway, she saw the judge today. She was granted bail. You understand? You see, if y'all had got that bondsman from yesterday or whatever, her bond would have been posted as soon as she saw the judge. Her bond would have been posted, and all you guys had to do was pay the 10%. Now,
All right, hold on, stick up in. All right, we don't reach the money yet, people. We the people
that's what
them
I'm
can do what
saying.
we
No
fi do,
money,
what we
not
fi do.
didn't have to come into play yet. You say no after she get bundled, she come out, and then when she get a letter in the mail for her to go to court, that's when a lawyer would have been needed. You understand what I'm saying?
All right, Chanel, before them start cuss you, because them agree with you, yeah, win right now. But take a slow
No,
down.
but
Take it
listen,
back
no,
to slow.
but remember, I said them did that go on bad yesterday night because
Yeah,
they
but we
were acting
still
like I
not
didn't know what I was
we
talking about.
not winnings right now. We might even cuss you because your energy was like two-way, sound straight, fully. Yeah,
No, but
come
that's
with a
exactly what I was
story.
saying yesterday. That's exactly, I swear to you, that's exactly what I was saying.
But we not discredit you. But here what we are saying now, them are beat me I said time ago. Money. So this me I say is they say ninja you have to whisper. Where you say ninja? Where them
Just
when we
send
want
someone down there. You could get a bondsman down there. Okay, you see, if a person gonna go down there right now, they're gonna have to pay that entire amount. If the
add back
bondsman,
cheese,
if the
that you
bondsman
say?
go, if the bondsman go down there, the bondsman only pays 10% of that. But guess what happened? The bondsman only paying the 210. The 210 that
Lord God, what no.
the bondsman that's paying the 210, he just want to make.
Like how she get bill now, how the money go, how we send the money to the account or whatever.
Alright, here we go now. See doctor there right there, so Nurse Brown and me.
Yeah, somebody
You
mute.
Alright, so
send
RT,
him.
make me a moderator so I can put up a poll with the information in it.
I don't know if you did something there, brother.
You can click on my name and go to scrutiny.
See Taya send me request there. Send me back your request there. Taya, yeah, add topic.
RT,
Yes, darling.
don't collect no money yet here. Don't collect no money. She already bail out.
Anyway, Taya, send
Not
me
hear me?
whatever so I can send. I got 140 for her. So send me information so I can forward that to you, okay?
When me I go do the people them 140.
Now 240, 240, listen.
Milo, stop the woman from turn the woman for turn back where I drive. And tell her thank you. Me talk to her after I show.
Never listen, but all right, me I look close. All right.
So Taya, the same way you collect the money yesterday for the lawyer, I'm going to send me information. Let me send you the money. You forward
Okay.
Nah, send back the 150 there. We don't go black boaty.
Jesus Christ.
I need to send the two. I got 240, so I need to send it.
That's a management fee. Let me look at my.
Alright. Alright, Nurse Bro, never text you. So when
Okay.
Vany come up, me just transfer it to her. Alright, me I go mute on for a second. Me I get
Me stretch out.
See, that means that you send the money then, cause everything alright.
She got bail though. That's why we did wow.
Listen, it may say like how she get bill and everything already then. Oh, the rest of the case I go like we are gonna send money same way or whatever.
No, she will come and talk about that. If where she's out, she will get time to come on live.
Wait, Nurse
Ladies.
Brown.
Yes.
Like
Yes.
how Vany get bail. You not feeling no ears, cause you had good somebody. When Vany come, you transfer the money to Vany.
Okay then.
Yeah, hold on upon the money and transfer it to Vany.
Ladies and gentlemen,
All
everybody
right,
big up
darling.
on yourself. Thank you guys so much.
thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen,
You Mr. Nurse Brown?
Yeah, me hear you, Bella. I
Yeah,
will
man,
hold
hold
it.
on upon it for Vany.
ladies and gentlemen, our 24 hours of clout and fame is over. The lady has now been free. So therefore, the hype lasts till she come live. Soon as she come live, the hype done for we. So my fame was good, and I do enjoy the fame, and I do enjoy the clout, and I do enjoy everybody, and I do enjoy the love, and I do enjoy the little minute of fame. But until then, now Ivan is out, so therefore we give her back our throne right now. All right, so that's it. Thank you for the support. Thank you for everything. Thank you for the
It's
love,
so
and
acting
thank you
that
for
you
everything.
say.
Better than like. But me love
Murder
it. Me
artist said the
appreciate.
fame gone, you know. Stop it.
But the fame not gone, no, we not done. You
The
see
fame can't go. Because you're number one RT boss.
I see you too
You're
much,
number
man.
one RT boss. Your fame can't flop.
No.
Look how people are trying to play can't flop.
You know me, I
Well,
joke
God,
about
God, you know? God, God. We tell you about
But
the
me
That's
like
true,
people
that
in my
man.
though. We
life,
deserve
yeah.
that laugh there. We feel happy. We feel good.
Yeah,
Yeah, me feel look
for
better now, me
real.
nah lie.
Everybody feel good. The tension kind of come off. Of course, because she's a human being too.